Hey there folks, Zach Smith, Pest Dude. Hey, weeds are a pest too, and here's a real no-brainer for getting rid of your own weeds naturally, but beware because 45% vinegar is pretty darn damaging to skin and eyes and your respiratory system. So you can get this stuff right on Amazon. This is really low cost, and add a little bit of dish soap and to this vinegar and put it straight in the bottle here at the sprayer and spray your weeds. Beware, it'll burn any plant tissue it touches. So the way it works as a pesticide, as an herbicide, is it burns the leaves of the weeds and they die. Doesn't mean the roots won't regenerate a new sprout. So that's why people always used to love Roundup, was it killed the roots. So this stuff's just going to kill the tops. But if you do it enough, the little weeds won't have enough energy to regenerate. You want to just soak the heck out of the weeds. Now beware, anything it touches will also get burned. Also, I'm already choking up just from the vapors. So this is a root sucker from the crabapple tree. Now we'll spray it down here and I'll give you a before and after. It's not gonna kill the root sucker entirely because this won't kill the root, but you'll see how the tops burn. Go around and spot spray. Beware if there's any breeze like there is now, that the breeze is going away from you, because this stuff burns the eyes and the throat. Bermuda grass that came up in the liriope, or liriope some people call it. If I spray all this, it's just gonna burn. It will look terrible, but it won't kill either of these. So we'll just do it as an experiment so you can see what happens. Bermuda grass is extremely hard to kill because the perenniating structures underground, rhizomes and stolons above ground, will continue to regenerate. You can barely ever kill Bermuda grass with even the most modern chemistry. Okay, here's just a couple hours later. Can you see how they are completely burned? This is that crabapple root sucker, and you can see that it's just heavily wilted and the leaves are totally fried, but I don't think the root sucker will stop coming back because the topical application of the horticultural vinegar with soap just destroys the green tissue. All right, this is the Bermuda grass we sprayed earlier amongst all the liriope, and you can see, some people call it liriope, you can see that the Bermuda grass has turned all light brown or yellow, and I don't expect that this will kill it, but these plant tops will be greatly diminished, and if I applied this mixture repeatedly, I would be taking the energy away from the plant little by little. And so there you have it, folks, the super simple do-it-yourself but extremely caustic and dangerous to the eyes and lungs herbicide mix that many people tout as a good alternative to Roundup. Wear safety glasses, wear gloves, don't get this on your skin, and don't breathe the vapors. You'll be sorry if you do. You'll know when you do, because about instantaneously you'll start choking up, hacking, coughing, your eyes will tear up, and your lungs will feel like they're on fire. Horticultural vinegar is a very toxic product, but only because it's so acidic it just burns living tissue. All right, folks. Pest Dude out.